Hi everyone, thanks for joining again. Yes, we are back. We're cooking with Gwen Taylor, cooking with pumpkin. Here I am, just to show you a small meal, maybe 30 minutes or less, cooking with pumpkin. Yes, but it's not just for the wives. No, it's not just for the husbands, but I'm here for everyone, just to get you up and let you know that you can do it. I believe in you, so let's get up and cook. So remember to like, remember to subscribe, and remember to share. I love y'all, so let's cook. Thanks for joining Cooking with Pumpkin. Here I am again, just to show you a little something. So since Super Bowl is coming up, I said, why not show them something that maybe they could try for Super Bowl? Yay! You know, I know everybody's gonna have wings and you're gonna have pizza and all kinds of other stuff that you're gonna have, meatballs. So what we're doing today, I'm gonna show you how to do a dip. This is a spinach crab dip. It's a hot dip. So I know you're gonna like it. And you can fix it like on Saturday before the Super Bowl and just put it in the oven. So I'm gonna start my oven. I'm gonna put it on like 375. So it's gonna take about 20 minutes. And then you wanna, wait until it starts to bubble, and then you take it out and it should be ready to go. So this is what I'm doing with my dip. So we're adding cream cheese. That's 8-ounce cream cheese, and we're gonna mix that. We're going to also add a half a cup of sour cream. Yes, a half a cup of sour cream. Let me get all of it. It's a half a cup of sour cream. Then we're going to add, guess what, y'all? Mayonnaise. Yes, we're going to add mayonnaise. We're doing a half a cup of mayonnaise. Whatever mayonnaise you have, use what you got. Whatever you have in your fridge. You might have Miracle Whip, you might have Duke, you might have Hellmann's, you might just have Blue, I think it's called Blue Plate, whatever. Do you, okay? So whatever mayonnaise you have, so use your mayonnaise. And I'm gonna mix this up, so it's gonna be loud for a few minutes. Just for a few seconds, but it's best, when you're doing the cream cheese, to like have it out, let it sit out for a couple hours so it can soften. But I'm still gonna mix it. I'm sorry it's so loud, but I'm just mixing it for a couple minutes. That's gonna start my dip, the cream cheese, the mayo, and the sour cream. Yes, that's right. See? So that's ready. Now I'm going to add cheese, all kinds of cheese. You do whatever cheese you have. You might have some cheese in your refrigerator. Just use that cheese. Use it. So I have Parmesan cheese in here. I have Swiss cheese in here. I have Monterey Jack cheese in here. And I have this French name cheese in here. Okay, now, I'll mess up a name, so I'm going to show you what it is. This is the cheese. It's Swiss, and hey, it sounds like it's a sanctified name. It's like you speaking in tongues. Yeah, that's it. Shredded cheese. So I'm adding some of this. So I have like 16 ounces of cheese. So a lot of cheese, making it very cheesy. So here we go. I'm gonna mix that up in there. Oh, something's coming out. I'm just mixing that up, just softening it up a little. That's kind of mixed up. That's a piece of cheese there. And guess what else I'm adding? I want it to be a little healthy. So here I am. I'm going to add some spinach and artichokes. The marinated artichokes hearts. So I cut some of those up. So I'm thinking this is like a cup, not a whole lot. So I had some fresh spinach, but you can use frozen spinach if you want. Do you? So I sauteed my spinach, and the artichokes, they're in a jar. So I cut them up, and here I am with the spinach. I'm going to add. So I'm thinking this is like a cup, like a half a cup of spinach and a half a cup of artichokes. Yes, I want to make it a little healthy. We're gonna have a little healthy dish here, dip rather. So that's that. And I'm going to add, of course, we need to add a little garlic for some flavor. So I'm going to add a teaspoon. If you have fresh garlic, that's wonderful. Use your fresh garlic. Do you? So, but I have some mince. This is minced garlic. So I'm going to put in one teaspoon. Maybe 1.5. I'm going to put a little bit more garlic. And I'm also going to add some Old Bay seasoning. So I'm going to add a teaspoon of Old Bay so we can, so it can be real, like real seafood, So, and I'm going to add some pepper. Going to add some pepper. But I mean, some people might, you like hot stuff. You might want to add some Cajun seasoning. You can add your Cajun seasoning. You can add, a lot of people like the chili, like the hot, spicy chili. You can add that to it. You can add, what else you can add? Just whatever, your flavors that you like. Do you use it? Use it. It'll be fine. You're making this to your taste. You're making this to your liking. So whatever you like, you can do that. And so we're gonna just mix this up. And the only other thing we'll be adding is crab meat. Now, if you have lump crab meat, that's wonderful. I mean, I didn't feel like picking no crab. We call it picking the crab out of the shell. I didn't feel like doing that, so I had just my can of claw. The claw crab meat. So that's what I'm using. I'm using the crab. Use what you got. So that's what I'm using. But you can also use the lump crab meat. It's fine. And I bet some people would probably even use the imitation. Yeah. You could, I'm sure it'd be good with imitation. Because lots of you use a lot of imitation. But I'm using the claw of the crab instead of the lump. But the lump, I'm sure, is much better. But it's still a crab is a crab. Hey, so that's what. See how that's looking? That's looking good in the neighborhood. So the only thing now I'm going to add is a crab claw. So that's 8 ounces. That's 8 ounces of the crab claw. So this is going to be a crabby salad. See, some of them are pretty thick. See the claw? So yeah. So that's 8 ounces. That looks like a lot of crab. But you want to taste the crab. You do want to taste the crab when you're making your crab. So I'm just going to stir it up, mix it together, and just like that. Hey, just like that, it's ready after you mix it up. And then put it in the oven. You're going to put it in the oven and cook it. So how is everyone doing? I hope everyone is good. I hope you're all surviving. The coronavirus is still on a rampage, but people are getting their vaccine and they're on their second dose. Their vaccine. My brother got his first and his second. So he's okay. We checked on him and he was okay. So we believe that it'll be all right. So I hope everybody's still staying safe, still wearing your mask. Now they're telling you to maybe wear 2 masks. So, whatever we can do to survive. So this is how it looks, okay? So I'm going to put this in there. So I have a Rachel Ray pan casserole dish. Yeah, this is one of Rachel Ray's. So y'all let her know I'm cooking with her dish. She, they have the whole pot set and all kinds of stuff. So this is, my oven is ready. So this is how it looks. So I'm putting it in the dish. This is going to be our Super Bowl. And I'll probably maybe add some more cheese on the top when it's cooked and let it cook for a few more minutes. But this is how it looks. This is the spinach dip. The spinach, crab, artichokes, all kinds of good stuff in there. You are gonna like this. You're gonna like it. So that's the spinach. But you know, if you want to add sharp cheese or um, um, what's the other cheese? There's all kinds of cheese. Some people might use Velveeta cheese. Yeah, you know, do you? Whatever you have, use it. Use it. So this is it. It's ready to go. Go in 20 minutes. It'll be ready. Putting it in the oven. 20 minutes. So there it is. See, it didn't take that long. So you can do that. You could fix it on the day before and serve it on another day. Maybe one day. I don't think I would mix it up and leave it in the refrigerator longer than a day. But you could fix it and then pull it out. Now, if you decide to make it like the day before, maybe let it sit out of like 30 minutes before you put it in the oven. Now, if you decide to put it in the oven right out of the refrigerator, now you would need to at least maybe cook it a few more minutes, maybe 5 more minutes or more. But you just keep checking on it in about 20 minutes, checking and see how it's doing, and just like that. Now, that was probably less than 10 minutes. You get your ingredients together in your crab, and you know what? You probably, if you don't want to use the crab, some of you are allergic to seafood, so you can't get seafood. So just make the spinach dip. Yeah, just do the spinach dip. Maybe some of you might want to add shrimp to it. I'm sure that would be wonderful. A shrimp, let it be a shrimp dish. What else? Oh, you might want to add chicken. I'm sure if you want to add chicken, do you? You know, I'm sure it'll be wonderful. Now, some people might want to add onions, or green peppers, or just what else you could add? You could just do all kinds of stuff with a dip. You know, some people might add tomatoes to it. I don't know, but whatever you like. Now, for your dip, you could add you could serve it with chips. You could serve it with, tortilla chips, or you could serve it with baguette chips, or you could serve it with carrots. Dip it in carrots. Dip it in celery. Some of your vegetables. Probably a cucumber. You know, cucumbers are good for you. So cucumbers, and what else could you, so this dip, you could add all kinds of stuff. You could add the little cups, I forget what are they called, but you could just, and put it in a little cup and just eat it. Don't be a dip, but I bet it'll be a stomach full. Stomach full is a stomach full. Yeah, but it's all kinds of stuff you could use with it. And Cajun seasoning. For those of you that like your Cajun seasoning, you can have it, put a Cajun twist on it. Yeah, do you? So that's it. See, it only took a few minutes to prepare, so it'll take 20 minutes. But one song I thought of, I'm gonna sing, and then before you know it, then I'm gonna sing you until it'll be ready, sis. And I'm always doing those devotional songs, but this one. Y'all miss y'all devotion? Y'all miss having devotion? But this one is Jesus, be a fence all around me every day. Y'all remember that song? Jesus, I want you to protect me as I travel along the way. I know he can, yes Lord, I know he will, yes Lord, fight my battle, yes Lord, if I be still, yes Lord, Lord, be a fence all around me every day. Y'all remember that song? Yeah, come sing it with me. Jesus, be a fence all around me every day. Jesus, I want you to protect me as I travel along the way. I know he can, yes Lord, I know he will, yes Lord, fight my battle, yes Lord, if I be still, yes Lord, Lord, be a fence all around me every day. Remember to say that as you go out, as you go to the stores, as you go to your jobs, just wherever you go, ask the Lord to be a fence around you. He'll be a fence around you. Yes, he will. Yes, he will. So here we go. Getting it out the oven. It's been 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Here it is. Can you see it? That's it. I don't think I'm not going to add any more cheese. It looks cheesy enough. It looks cheesy enough. I didn't tell you all the like. I hope you like, and I hope you share. Remember to share. Somebody might want to make this. So here we go. So what I did, I had some Italian bread. So I cut them up. I made my own baguettes, okay? So I put some butter on it and put it in the oven while this was in the oven, and I got my own baguettes. But remember, you can use crackers. If you have Ritz crackers, saltine crackers, whatever kind of crackers, you can use your crackers with it. But I wanted some bread. I wanted something to stick, okay? Okay, so here we go. This is the crab dip. Ooh, it's nice and hot. Nice hot spinach, artichokes. And if you don't like artichokes, you don't have to use artichokes. You don't have to use spinach. You can just make it with the crab dip without the spinach and the artichokes. Yeah. So there it is. It's ready, y'all. Y'all see? Look at all that cheese. It's nice and cheesy. I got all kinds of cheese in it. So here we go. I'm going to take one of these. That's my baguette. My toast. So here it is. Thank you, God, for this spinach dip that we're going to have. Spinach and crab. You've been good. Ooh, look at that spinach. So here we go. It's still hot. So you can dip it and, ooh, it's hot, it's hot. Ooh, ooh. Here we go. Yeah. No, it's all over my mouth. We did it again. It's delicious. You're gonna like this, y'all. Let me know. This tastes delicious. My husband gonna like this. Oh, you can taste the crab. You can taste the spinach and all those cheese and all together. Ooh! Hey, thank you. With my crunchy toast. It's wonderful. Thank you all for joining. I hope you all try this. It's good. It's real good. Hope you all try it. Let me know, okay? I love you all. Thanks for joining us. See you next week. May God be with you until we meet again. Yay! Thanks for joining another episode of Cooking with Pumpkin. Remember to like, remember to share, and remember to subscribe. I'll see you next week.